I suddenly realized that one of the most annoying things about Home Alone is the fact that Kevin never gets to take a bite of his mac and cheese. Alright, so today I don't know how it happened, but I guess I'm channeling Eddie and Catherine from Christmas Vacation. So, you serious, Clark? And then Catherine wears like tinsel in her hair, I think. Anyway, didn't actually mean to do that, but then when I put this look together, I was like, okay. I just felt like wearing this in my hair, just to be extra festive. But anyway, all right, let's do a quick intro because I don't normally do these on my channel and I've been gaining a lot of subscribers. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. I love to do Dollar Tree hauls Mondays, Wednesdays, and Saturdays. And basically, I just show you guys things that I find of interest. Obviously, there are things that I want to share with you because they're new, things that I find exciting, things that I think are worth $1, and yeah, so that's just what I do every Monday, Wednesdays, and Saturdays on my channel. And then I do other stuff too related to Dollar Tree sometimes during the week, and then maybe other types of videos like hauls and home decor and things like that. So that is what goes down on this specific channel. And without further ado, what is today's video going to be? Wednesdays, I think this is going to be Wednesday's haul. And sometimes I feel like when I show you guys what I buy, there's somewhat of a theme-ish, but this go around, this trip that I made, it's just kind of random all over the place, but a lot of new stuff as per usual. So let's dive in at random. Okay, I picked up the Fireside marshmallows, but these are the bigger ones. Sorry, but white seems to be really, there we go. White can be blinding sometimes, but anyways, got the bigger chunks, and I got these for a combination of making hot chocolate, but also using them for gingerbread house decorating. We're gonna be decorating a bunch of those gingerbread houses that I picked up from Walmart. And oh, I picked up some of these Betty Crocker like dessert mixes, and at the end of this video I'm gonna do just a quick last minute gift DIY in case you need to bring something to a party with you or to an office party. So stay tuned to the end so that you can see that. I picked up fudge, brownie, and peanut butter cookie, and then chocolate chip cookie. But let's go into tissue paper next. It's one of my, I love tissue paper. I love having it on hand. For me, it's just proven tried and true to have this stuff on hand because sometimes last minute I need to put something together, and it's just nice to have, you know, options available at home without having to get up and go to the store just for tissue paper. Anyway, I found myself in a lot of those situations. Here is something that I really love for Christmas. I'm really digging the foiled patterns, the ones that are really shiny. I've been loving those, so I got a dupe of these. Now, I wouldn't say they're the best worth of your $1 because you don't get very many sheets in here, and if you just need quantity rather than a specific pattern, go to Walmart or get the bigger ones that Dollar Tree sells that have a lot more sheets in it. So like this has 6 sheets for $1. So really you're kind of buying for a pattern if you do that, but just putting it out there. So like this one, for example, has 35 sheets for $1. And I don't know that Dollar Tree has ever done a rainbow tissue. I don't feel like I've ever showed this to you guys before. And I think this is definitely perfect. You just go pick one of these up, you store it away, and if you have birthdays or just anything, you have a wide range of colorful tissue to choose from, and 35, and it's $1. These tissues are some of my favorite at Dollar Tree, and what's interesting is they put them out with Christmas, even though they're not like traditional Christmas colors, but I still love having these options for Christmas too, and it is the all foil. I get these in the red, the green, the gold. They are my favorite, and I decided to pick them up in these colors. I don't use these colors for Christmas, but I will pick these up and then stash them away again for like birthdays and things like that. This one's really cute because it reminds me of the movie The Elf. Jingle All the Way. I love the elf feet, super cute. And then the back one, it says Believe. You get a set of 2 for $1. And I found a new print. They had a couple of other ones that go with this one. They had one where I think Santa was ice skating, but I don't use blue that often, but I still really liked this one, so I just limited myself. I found some more gift tags as if I don't have enough, but these were really interesting because look at this one. Oh, wow, so pretty. I love that the car is like a wood finish. That's really unique. I don't think Dollar Tree has put out a car like that. And then I love the gingerbread house too right here. And then look at Santa in a classic. I needed some Ziploc bags. I was surprised. I don't know if I've ever known that Dollar Tree has carried Hefty, but 6 for $1. I don't know. Let me know if that's a good deal. I found this, which I think is going to be a great stocking stuffer. It's like a Zen garden, and it comes with the rocks, the tray, the sand, and the rake. Just kind of like a stress reliever type thing. So I think that would be great for a stocking stuffer. Oh, I had to get me some new hair ties. Scrunchy, scoonchy. There's not an R in there. Scoonchy, scunchy. I don't really know how to pronounce that. But I thought these looked fantastic. It doesn't look like it's gonna snag or hurt, but I don't know. I've never tried these, especially this one. This one looks really seamless. Glue dots. These are tried and true. I love these for planning, just crafts, anything. Glue dots will always come in handy, and I had to get a pack of those. All right, I also got a Sharpie. I've always been looking for a black regular Sharpie. Usually they'll carry like different colors, which I've grabbed the orange, the blue. They've done a black Sharpie in the super thin version, but never in the classic. And I've been hunting for this for years, by the way. And the other day I was like, what? Next up are some planner crafting accessories. So I'm gonna tell you guys this, but I have been obsessed with watching bullet journaling stuff. I think I'm gonna give it a go. And I found these stencils. I thought these would be great for bullet journaling since I don't think I'm the best artist in the world. But I'm gonna try, I'm gonna learn. So I got those stencils for $1. And here is a new list pad. How farmhouse and fantastic is this? The black and white, it's so chic and it's $1. I love this store. I found some new stickers. They are from the Sticko brand. This is a major brand, you guys, that's sold at like Hobby Lobby, Michael's, and it's made its way to Dollar Tree. I've shown you guys a bunch in the past. This one takes the cake, no pun intended. And I got triples of. Oh my gosh. Why? Why is this at Dollar Tree? But also, I don't want to ask because I don't want them to stop. Or, I don't even know if that made sense. But these stickers range from like $3 to $5 at the craft store, and it's $1 at the Dollar Tree. This is a Dollar Tree brand stickers, but wow. I got 2 of them. The font is really fun. I absolutely adore it. I love the color. Sometimes you just don't see blue. This next item is gorgeous. If it's up your alley, I hope that you guys find it. It is a photo frame with glittery stars. I don't know if you can see that there's stars in there. I wish they put more. It's kind of like weak. Like, okay, really? Like that's, you know, but it's also $1, so you gotta, you know, kind of go with it. It also has a shadow box feel to it. I love that the frame is black because it can go with a lot. And I also think that this is the exact size of a Polaroid printout, like the Fujifilm classic one. I don't think that many teenagers watch my videos, but this would be a great gift idea for your friends. You could put your favorite Polaroid pictures that you've taken together, put it in here, and give it as a gift. Okay, this next item, what? First of all, the packaging is super cute, and they're calling it hair glitter. What? In pink and purple. It looks like mask, like the kind of packaging you would put like facial mask stuff inside. I found another stencil sheet. This one was hiding in another bag, but hearts. So if you're gonna be into bullet journaling, those would be great to pick up. And then look at these pins. Oh, I'm missing a cap. I'm sure it's in the bag somewhere, but it has the little timer. Do you see the sand falling through? What? How adorable are these? And I love that we get a black option. They usually do not do black for novelty pens. It's an hourglass pen, and you get pink, mint, and black. I'm obsessed with the fact that they did black, because usually we would expected them to have done like the third one is purple or blue. Wow, it's frosted, it's beautiful. Some of them look like they've been messed up through shipping a little bit, but wow, this is stunning. Oh, I don't know what to say, but stuff like this is sold at Hobby Lobby and it's at Dollar Tree. All right, I said I was never going to do this again, but this is kind of different technically because it's not a snack per se, but it's more of drinks. But I found these two drinks at Dollar Tree. I really liked the packaging. I think it's really cute. I have no idea who this brand is or how this tastes. Comment down below, let me know. It's Peace Tea, and I have Georgia Peach, which is a cute name. He's holding the peach. And then Tea and Lemonade is this one. So for starters, I am gonna open this up and we're about to taste test this, but I don't know why, because do not use my opinion to phase you one way or another. You're gonna have to try this on your own because I'm not a tea person, so I'm not gonna be the best judge of character. But we're gonna go in with this big guy first. I'm honestly scared to be, yeah. Okay, so this is tea plus lemonade. It actually smells pretty good. Holy crap, that's really delicious. Huh. Oh my god, this one smells really strong. Definitely has a peach smell to it. I feel like it's gonna taste really sweet. That's good too. I honestly don't know which one's better. I'm gonna have to start buying these. The one thing that I would ask, if you could comment down below, let me know if $1 is a good bang for your buck, or if this is something sold at Walmart for a bigger pack, but you know, in the end, less money. I don't know. Let me know if $1 is actually a steal for this. How many ounces? 23 fluid ounces. I don't know, that seems like pretty cheap, right? But I have to say, I don't drink stuff like this per se, and they are delicious. Like, thumbs up for actually both of them. We all know that I've had some bad experiences with taste testing on this channel. So if you're new, there are some videos. If you dig through my Dollar Tree haul playlist, you will find a series of unfortunate events.